opened up. It's working fine. So we're gonna wait like 5 minutes.
It goes all the way up when it's hot.
I'm gonna remove it just to try it out and see if it fixes the issue.
Motherfucker, I broke it. I just turned off the truck too. Fans are on. Well, that was a journey.
So we pull the pump fuel relay off.
I don't think you got the, huh?
Then it run out of fuel.
Let it run out of fuel? It's choppy, normal.
Hey, this is what scares me.
That's what scares me.
Clean them out. En la oil cap está llena de milk.
So,
That's weird though. You sure you didn't put this with water when you took it off?
Bro, why would I want to do that? Did we check? What? That does that sometimes.
so it's not going through the piston.
Huh?
It's coming up.
It's not going through the pistons?
Nah, it would have been misfiring, right?
Yeah, it wouldn't come out of there.
Yeah, it only misfires when I really stump on it. Not right here, but like when I'm like going at least like 20 miles, 30 or 40 miles. After I go 60 miles and I step out just a little bit, it's not as bad as it was from when I'm doing it. Saying loud, ain't it? Yes, it's coming out. You. Oh man, look, I put a fucking firework next to my ear. Pour, bro, a little bit, please.
Yes, sir.
Damn. Damn, ringing in my ear now.
Is fuel coming out again?
There's fuel coming out from the back, bro. You guys don't even have time. Vodka's working on too many projects. Might have to take it to David's shop to do it on the floor again. Oh man, I smell it.
I'm gonna show you 85 though. That's the 85.
That's the 85. So I gotta smell it. So it's not the coolant, it's not the thermostat. The hell is that?
That's bad.
What? Nothing?
Nothing wrong. Water's in there. This is the water. It smells like fuel.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Is that E85?
I don't know. Oh, there's water.
There's water. No wonder it's been misfiring.
Wait. One more.
Don't tell me, bro. And there's still more in there. It's mixed with the 85.
Pero huele a fuel y agua.
I don't know.
I don't know. Ask who turned the heads.
I torqued the heads, but they told me the specs, and I put them at that spec.
You torque it on with the snap-on one? Or
No, I torqued it with the snap-on.
the snap-on one?
The digital one?
Yeah, but you do the degrees? Like,
Yeah, they taught me how to do it and everything, and I confirmed with them when I got it done. We did it right. We did it like, we checked it so many times before we really put the head.
I mean, like, that's another option. Like, probably that's overheating too.
Yeah.
Because, like, you, like, pretty much they say, like, you lift a head.
Yeah.
So maybe that's why it's overheating.
More content, right? More content. At least it turns on. I guess I don't need the new thermostat. I guess I don't need the new coolants. Well, I mean, I might just need a little bit when I refill it somehow. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you for tuning in. So today,
It's either, like I said, water, or since these LTs are direct port injected, the injector stayed open. Most likely the injector stayed open, so it's flooding the whole system. And that's why when you're driving, it acts up.
yeah, it acts when I step on it, but like when I'm normally driving it, nothing. But it's been overheating on me.
Now that we've got that water out of there, let's turn it on. Go ahead, turn it on.
Yeah, it still got more.
It's not gonna come out then.
Damn, it's strong. Oof. It just keeps on coming, huh?
That's full. No,
So-
but this is not water. This is it smells like fuel.
I've been putting 85. It's flex fuel. So for people that don't know, if people say then it wasn't tuned for 85, this thing here is flex fuel. It's supposed to.
What's up, Omar?
What's up, man? Problems, bro. Problems.
Yes, coolant.
Guys, so the plan that Vargas has told us is that we're gonna turn it on and take off the cap. We're gonna take off the cap from the reservoir. Throws out water. That means one of the heads messed up, right?
One of the head gaskets, the compression of the piston is going through the water jet, so that makes the water come up, shoot up. So if you have a problem where you have to take the cap off, you have to rip it up and it shoots up, one of the head gaskets is bad.
All right.
So we're gonna go ahead and try that method out. If it don't do that, we're gonna try something else. But if it does do that, then we gotta change the head gasket.
Ready?
Yeah.
Nothing, right?
There's no vapor, extreme vapor out of the normal coming out.
I'm so confused. Guys, if you guys have this problem, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think is going on?
There's no misfire going on right now.
Misfires only happen when I'm going like 60 miles per hour and I step on it. It gives me misfire, like little baby misfires. I returned it. The thermostat is working because it goes back. It opened up?
Yeah, it opened up right here. The water went down. So that's normal. But the motor's flowing water, literally.
So why is it heating up then if it has some?
That's what we're gonna check right now. Normally these motors, every motor, if it gets air, it's gonna heat up. So we're gonna make this truck burp. That's what they call it, make it burp. We're gonna make all the air come out. So we're gonna let it idle, let the water come up, let it move around.
Yeah, it's not heating up.
Yeah, let it sit there for a little bit.
But that's the thing, like it only heats up when I'm starting to drive it a little bit more. I mean, I went to drop it off, so maybe I should go get it again or what?
Because the water was up high.
Yeah.
And when we turned it on, moved it went down. So the thermostat opened up. It's working fine. There's nothing going on with that. So we're gonna wait like 5 minutes. If it doesn't move, we'll go out for a drive, normal drive, and then we'll see what it does from there.
All right.
And if it's not heated up, we'll stop where we're at, put some more, and if it needs fluid, then something else going on. And We'll check it out. We'll go
Alright.
slowly. One step at a time.
So the people are saying, why are you ripping on it? Then why? This is what I want. This is what happens when you have a race truck. It's gonna go sideways no matter what you try. I didn't get it just for the sound. I'm not trying to make it all bark. I'm trying to make it bite too. Sounds corny, but you know what I mean. Was that coming out?
Nah.
The reason why I respect you and your Ford is because you're actually building it, you know?
Ah, ahora sí, ¿verdad?
Hey man, the more you put more effort into
You
it, the
don't
more I
wanna buy it?
respect you. Hell no.
I'm gonna sell it.
Nah, I'm good.
It helps a lot, way.
Yeah, you're just trying to sell it.
No, dead ass.
Why are you trying to sell it?
Because I'm gonna go turbo. I don't need it.
Oh yeah, sponsored. What? I need to get as fast as you. Help the cause.
You
What?
see those bubbles?
Oh
There's air in the system that's coming out. So
Oh.
it had air. That's what the problem was. So we're gonna see what's going on with this right now. Right now it's empty.
A little
We're
bit.
gonna give it about 4 days. Drive it around for 4 days, and then we'll check it back again. But all that's air. All
Oh, I
that's
see.
air.
Oh, I see it. But hey, but it's leaking.
So I leaked that.
Huh?
I leaked that.
No, it's leaking a lot. Look. Oh, it's leaking.
Oh yeah, the overflow right here.
Huh?
This right here, it's an overflow where it's leaking whenever
Oh.
it's overfilled.
Okay.
So you know how the bubbles coming up right now. So if you take a temperature, it's still good.
I'm still learning a lot of details on the truck. Like I said, every time this truck breaks down, it pisses me off a lot, but it's always gonna be a pro for me because I'm gonna learn every little detail.
The temperature is good. It has a lot of air in the system. Look at that. There's a lot of air in the system right now.
There's a lot coming out now.
It's not flowing up. It's not coming up. I'll try to look for videos
Oh,
before
shit, it's
before you
coming
have to show, but right now it has a lot of air in the
Oh, is that
system.
normal?
Yeah.
It's a lot. I think it's hitting you up now.
No.
Bro, that's a lot. Oh, no, it's in the same area. Is that the same area? Yeah, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Look at that.
Whoa, that's a lot. Oh, are you sure? That's still a lot. Oh, it's like a volcano. The fans just turned on too. Oh, that's a lot going on right now. That's a lot actually. Okay, now I'm getting worried. Hey, it's coming out a lot.
Temperature's still good.
Temperature's still good?
Yeah. Temperature's still good. It's not coming up. It's at 210. Normal.
Yeah, but the fans are on right now.
See how much is coming out of there? All the
Yeah, but
bubbles?
it's right next to the battery too.
Nah,
It's a new volcano.
Oh.
That's not normal, is it?
¿Está caliente la torta, güey?
Still. What? It's weird, huh?
It's not overheating.
We might have just discovered why it's overheating. So I'm gonna let David from Top Speed Collision explain what's going on because he just caught it. Why do you think it's overheating?
Like they say in Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, she ain't spitting antifreeze into the motor.
Anyways,
Nah, I think it's because since the coolant ain't dropping when the truck is hot, that means the thermostat ain't opening up. And then usually both hoses on the radiator should be about the same temperature when the antifreeze circulates, and this one's like pretty much cold. And that one's hot enough to not even grab it, so that's my guess. We'll see. Maybe next episode it'll be ready.
what I'm gonna do is take off the intake and then I'm gonna see if there's any liquid that goes inside of it as well, because everybody's saying it's a head gasket. I might be thinking it too because there's a lot of liquid going inside.
It's possible.
It's possible. Hopefully it's not, but you guys are telling me just to take off the thermostat. What would be the pros and cons of like having it off?
Cons, the winter time is not gonna be good. It's gonna basically be on cold start all the time. Hot weather kind of doesn't really affect it in any way, I'm guessing.
When I have it on idle, it literally just stays at the same temperature, and then when I start driving it, it heats up, and the fans as well, they're turning on. Anyways, we're gonna take it off, see if there's any liquid coming out from the intake. Then we're gonna be moving on and taking off the thermostat. Hopefully that fixes the problem. Hopefully it's not an engine gasket. Thank you, David. No top speed collision.
Woo! We're about to be slow speed with this gut coming in.
I don't get it.
Because I'm chunky, dog.
I don't see nothing.
Y'all ready? Boom! I'm pregnant, 6 months. We're hitting the gym this year, so hopefully we can be buff speed collision.
What David noticed is that the fluid goes all the way up and it stays up here, but when it's hot, it's supposed to go all the way down. Right?
Yeah, it's not moving at all.
The oil's perfect here too.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It doesn't smell like Rodney 85. Oh, what the heck is this? This might be a problem. See all that? Ah, you motherfucker, I broke it. Ah, the snapped off. It literally just snapped off. I loosened it and everything. Gotta be kidding me, bro. It's a 2017 Silverado 1500 LT motor.
It's $55.99. It's the whole. It comes the thermostat with the whole housing all built in one.
How much is it?
$55.99.
55. Alright, okay. I'll be over in a bit. There goes the new coolant. And I just bought this coolant too. How do you take it off? Like, people are always telling me just take off the thermostat, but you need the housing to, like, you know, so coolant won't come out, right? How do you take this whole thing off? Oh, I see it. I see it now. The Vans didn't have it.
You probably just need the housing, no?
Yeah. No signs of oil. At the end of the day, like, I like it when it breaks down, but I don't like it. The reason why I like it is because I get to learn on what's going on with the motor. Like, if something really does happen, like right now I know what to check for and how to check it properly. I'm gonna put the housing, hopefully that works out, and if not, it might be the water pump, and if not, it might be the head gasket. See if little bubbles come out. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit and see if any little bubbles come out. A little warm. This side is cold. It's almost at its peak point. The fans have been on since I turned on the truck. There's no bubbles coming out. It's not overheating. It's staying in the same place. Right here. Alright, I'm gonna go test drive it. It's still in the middle. It's still at 210. I'll start recording when it starts dropping. Fans are not even on.
Huh?
Fans not even on. That's a good thing.
Where'd you go?
Coolant level is right there. It went down. Like it's supposed to. Because if it's cold, it stays up. When it gets hot, it starts putting it inside the motor, right? The thermostat?
Yeah. You should leave it on longer. So it hasn't heated up for now.
I was stepping on it a little bit. So,
Just
yeah.
leave it on.
There's a thermostat.
Just let it run.
For what? I already dogged the crap out of it a little bit.
Damn, well I can see that you threw all the coffee all over the damn seat.
I have to have I'm gonna buy a Yeti and put my coffee in there because that thing shakes too damn much and there's so many bumps where I went. So, yeah, finally, it was a thermostat. Thanks to Top Speed Collision that pointed that out. Because if you didn't point out that the water does this and that and reservoir, I wouldn't have found it. Well, yeah, everything's good. Thank you, David. You tired?
Oh, yeah.
I got Telemundo, dude.
Oh, they want to show. Hey, and you gotta have a car. Es que es azul. Y ya quemada ya se pues cambia color.
Shout out to the guy because Daniel out of nowhere. I was busy making videos for exclusive. I was at the shop.
500 shot, one pull on his 4.8 trying to blow it up.
Lies.
What?
Lies.
Carreras de autos clandestinas han traído en los últimos días dolor de cabeza a las autoridades en Houston.